Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to set your profile photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. With this new update, updating your profile picture is quick and simple. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your mobile app. Once you're in, you'll see your chats on the screen. Next, find your profile icon in the top left corner. It's a small circle with your current photo or your initials if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on it to access your profile settings. Now, click on your profile picture. This will bring up options for editing your profile photo. From here, select Change Profile Photo. A prompt will appear that allows you to upload a new image. Choose the new image you'd like to use from your computer. Once you find the right photo, click Open to upload it. Lastly, confirm the change to set your new profile photo. And just like that, your new picture is live on WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to update your profile photo on WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.